So we're here at Circus Circus in Las Vegas. We found a cotton candy vending machine. So let's make some cotton candy. First thing we're going to do is touch this. We want to get our shape. So I want to make the flower. So I'm going to go with this one. We're going to pick that. We're going to pick our colors. We can pick the colors that we want of the cotton candy. So we want the outside to be blue. Let's spin some purple. And the third, let's put it a yellow center. So this is what our flower will look like. Then we're going to hit continue. Payment is 100 credits. Actually means $10, but it's worth it. So we're going to come down here. We're going to do that. The stick is going to come over. It's already spinning to heat up the sugar. So here we go, 100 points or 100 credits. And here it comes. And it cut the stick. And here comes the cotton candy.
That is pretty cool.
Okay, let's see what it tastes like. It's nice and fluffy.
Oh my gosh.
That's what I'm talking about. All right, everybody. Cotton candy machine, Circus Circus, Las Vegas, $10. Have fun, everybody. Cotton candy forever.